All right, guys, we got a 2021 Infiniti Q50 all-wheel drive. This is what it sounds like before, up in the air. Nice and quiet. It's factory right now. That's what it sounds like before. Here's sound decibels. Right at 84. Again. All right, turn it off. So we're gonna take this stock system off, the stock muffler, mid pipes, resonator, all the way to the cats. So we're gonna take all that off and replace it with a full Invidia system that he brought in. There it is. The tips come in these two little boxes. There's the flanges. That's the muffler system right there. There's the two resonators, one here, X pipe, mid pipes. And then he brought two pipes for a cat delete, but we're not deleting the cats. So we have to cut it right there and right there and just run it from there and then cut those flanges off. He's going to have somebody else install those. We're not going to install them because it's against the law to cut cats off or do cat deletes, and we don't do that. But there they are. Once they get it all out of the bags, I'll do a better video of them. But I just wanted to show you guys what it looks like, okay? Stay tuned. So guys, on this Infiniti 2021, we just finished her up, Q50, and we put a full Invidia system on it, as you guys can see right there. Look at that thing. Nice and shiny. Factory converter, like I was telling you guys, we don't cut cats off. We made them fit his original piping, as you guys can see there and there. Invidia did a good job by doing that, where it bolts on right to, there's two different adapters, I guess, where it fits right into the cats. And then the other system, if you want to do down pipes, which we didn't do because it's against the law. All right. So it continues all the way into an X pipe, then continues again. And the cool thing about that, you can take the X pipe off too. You see how it's bolted in like that? And you do have to add like washers or something on each side here and here for it to clear, or it would hit on that center support. And then two resonators go in the middle. Piping continues all 2.5 into their muffler system right there. It's a double barrel with a nice Invidia logo right in the center. And then it comes out on each side, one there and one right there, into factory hangers. We had a little bit of fitment issues, but we got it squared away. And they put his tips on for him, as you guys can see right there. 4-inch out the back. Invidia system on a Q50 all-wheel drive. And if you guys wondered, this is the old system that was on it. We unbolted it right there and took it all off and bolted the new system in its place. Look how long this thing is. So you guys ever wondered what the Infiniti exhaust looks like? That's what it looks like. There it is. Stay tuned, guys. We're going to let you guys hear it. Hope you guys like it. And like always, make sure you like, comment, hit that subscribe. It's quiet. Not yet. Here's sound decibels. Right at 86.5. Man, I was expecting it to be a lot louder. I guess when he does the down pipes, he'll get louder. Go ahead and back it up. Wow, I was expecting a lot louder. Here it is up close, guys. Let you guys hear on the inside. So the mom brought it in and we told her, like, rev it when you leave. She's like, no way, I don't know if I can. So let's see what she can do. Mom power. We all love our moms, man. Mine's passed on, so God rest her soul. But always call your mom, love your mom, tell her you always love her, always remember her, and always appreciate for everything they do for us. All right, guys? That's my little rant. It's clean. It's not crazy loud. This is just smooth. What do you guys think? Let me know.